Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform roulette. Roulette is 4 stars dribbling skill. In order to perform it, make sure that the player supports those set of skills. Now, to perform roulette, if you are running to the right side of the pitch, you have to push the analog left and upward circle like this, or left and downward circle like this. You have to do it quickly. If you push it left and upwards, the player will move upwards. If you push it left and downwards, the player will move downwards. Take a look. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.